Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting the Windows keyboard and confirming the Mac recognizes it. Once done, you must identify which physical keys will act as Command and Option. Look at the lower left grouping. Control, Alt, and Win. Decide whether you want Win to be Command and Alt to be Option, or to keep Control in its role. Make the choice now because the rest of the steps depend on that mapping. Save time. Don't change layouts later without noting your selection. Once you've chosen mappings, open System Settings and set modifier keys for that keyboard. This handles basic swaps like Win to Command. For complex or per-app behavior, install Carabiner Elements and create a profile that remaps keys, layers, and function key behavior. Make sure to enable accessibility permissions. Also update input sources so special characters match. After configuring, test common shortcuts in Text Edit and Finder to confirm copy. Paste and Windows shortcuts act like a Mac. Make incremental changes rather than all at once. Finish by exporting your Carabiner profile and noting the modifier mapping so you can restore it later. Make a simple checklist of the changes you made. Test in several apps, terminal, browser, and a text editor, and adjust app-specific remaps if a shortcut conflicts. If things go wrong, first reset modifier keys, unplug or forget and repair the keyboard, then restart macOS input services or reboot. This resolves driver and permission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.